fog light. This one works, this one doesn't. So this is a pretty simple fix. There's a screw. Well, this is pretty easy. This one's a dead giveaway why it doesn't work. Because it's broken. Look at that. What do you know? Okay, so we just got another one. So it says Wagner 12.8 volts, 35 watts. So we'll put that up to the top. Squeeze it right in there. Tight one side. Tighten that one. Side up. Do the same thing with this side. Don't have to tighten them super tight. Not going anywhere. Okay, so looks good. Let's see if we know what we're doing. Look at that, pretty impressive, huh? Both lights work. Pretty easy fix, yeah.